Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy, or if you've already been here before, welcome back. Today we've got for you a gorgeous Lulu Guinness Hobo shoulder. So this Lulu Guinness has double top handles, and then on the base we've got 4 base studs, and then we've got a little flap closure here with a turn lock. So I'll open that up and show you the inside. So inside, got that really cool striped fabric lining. We've got one zipped flap pocket at the back there, and then on the opposite side we've got one nice little flap pocket there as well, perfect for putting in your makeup, your lipstick or mascara or whatever you can fit in that little pocket there. The leather on this Lulu Guinness is really nice. It's kind of sorry, I like the contrast between this matte textured leather that makes up the main bag, but then the straps and that base as well, that more like smooth glossy leather, which is really nice. The condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very good. So you can see that leather still looks really beautiful, but there's just slight signs of wear to one of these corners. Just this corner here, bottom corner, there's very minor sign of wear to there. And then the base has a couple of signs of wear. You can see there's a few indentations here and there, but overall it still looks very nice. The hardware and the interior we have called good. They still look beautiful. The reason we called the hardware good, you can see these base studs, you can see where they're just starting to discolour a little bit. The base studs are always the first to go because they're protecting that beautiful glossy base as well, but they're just starting to show some signs of wear on that hardware. And the interior we've called good, and I'll show you in there again. There's nothing in particular for me to show you on the interior, but you can just tell that it's been pre-loved and used before, but other than that it's still in a lovely condition. Don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this that we have to show you. So I'll show you what this Lulu Guinness comes with. So we've got big old Lulu Guinness dust bag to keep it protected, and then we've also got a little Lulu Guinness care card as well. So for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below and it should hopefully take you directly to this Lulu Guinness. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love this bag, then don't fear, because we do have a request list. So if you really love this bag, then let us know. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag and we'll get you on our request list, which just means that as soon as we get in another bag like this one, we'll send you through an email which will have the link to shop in it, and then hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those nice big double top handles there, you can have it on your shoulder. And I love a hobo style bag because I'm the kind of person that just wants to bring my whole entire life with me everywhere. So a nice big hobo bag like this, there's just so much space in there. You can just fit everything in there, and you can bring everything that you want around with you everywhere. So yeah, it is perfect if you are like me. And those handles as well, those shoulder handles are nice and big and really comfortable to wear on your shoulder like that, or you can also have it handheld by those handles as well. So yeah, it is a very gorgeous bag. As I said, link to shop is in the description below. Get onto our website and have a look through all the bags that we have, and hopefully there'll be something on there that takes your fancy. And if there is, don't forget that you can get your welcome discount code, which you do by signing up to our newsletter. There's a little box at the bottom of each page, so pop your email into any of those, and we will send you through your welcome discount code. So check your inbox. If it hasn't gone straight to your inbox, it might have gone to your junk or spam folder. So have a look in there quickly, but don't miss out on that discount code. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. We would love to see any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. So have a look on that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.